MV Global Radar, Rotterdam BTS. This is MV Global Radar. IMO number 99, 99, 99, position 51.55 degrees north, source 04.00 degrees east. Proceed at the reduced speed of 8 knots due to dense fog, visibility less than 1 nautical miles, requesting traffic information and guidance.
MV Global Trader, this is Rotterdam VTS. We acknowledge your report. Visibility is also reported as poor in the area. We show you approximately 5 nautical miles from the TSS or Traffic Observation Scheme. We advise you to maintain your course and speed, and maintain a close watch on VHF Channel 16 and designated VTS channel. We will keep you updated on the traffic situation and any changes in visibility.
MV Global Radar Rotterdam BTS understood, maintaining a close watch on VHF Channel 16 and decided BTS channel over.
MV Global Trader, this is an Rotterdam VTS. Visibility improving slightly in your sector. It's now approximately 1.5 nautical miles. A tanker MT Ocean Spirit is approaching from your port side. Estimated time to closest point of approach in 20 minutes. Maintain your course and speed. We will advise if course alternation is necessary.
MV Global Radar Rotterdam BTS understood, maintaining close watch over.